My name is Joanna Boyd, and I had a stroke at the end of May in 2007, and so they took me to Longmont United Hospital, and Longmont United Hospital sent me over to Mapleton Rehab here in Boulder because I had such strong core energy. And Dr. Danny came to see me 4 times and did adjustments that were wonderful. And there's such love in this network chiropractic team of Dr. Danny and Rochelle and Dr. Laura, and there's such community here and I'm just grateful to be a part of it. And today is the pancake breakfast for free, and free adjustments too. And all the people are so loving, and there's such a sense of community here. Thanks.